today we are here for unboxing. So to show you proof that don't be afraid, you can do it yourself. You can place order yourself. It's not hard. It's not something complicated. It's something you can do, and you can see that it vibrates and it works. It's not a toy. Some people think that it's a toy. It's not a toy, but it's working perfectly. So it's also for so you can go to the comment section and request for this. This video is dedicated to the guy who asked me a question on how the goods is going to come, whether it's going to be delivered to your place or you are going to go and pick it up at the pickup station. Alright, so for those that subscribe to the channel, there are going to be benefits and gifts that will be delivered to you. So make sure you subscribe to this video and also like the channel. So before that, those that watch my previous video on how to order from Aliexpress from China, so you would know that I placed many orders as I was making the video. In the video, I was placing order, trying to teach you how to also order from Aliexpress or from China. So these are the order. Some of them have arrived, not all of them. Some of them have arrived. So for those that don't know who I am, my name is Olaleye Ifeoluwa. I'm a digital marketer, and the name of my business is called Jumia E. So the goods have arrived all the way from China down to Nigeria. So you can see, let me show you some of the packages. This is speed up. You can see speed up. So I will snap some of this and post so you can see it clearly. So let us unbox. So you can see this mic. I ordered this mic from China, and it's the current mic I'm using currently because I needed a mic and I had to get a mic for myself. So let me unbox this first. You can see this is I love the packaging. What I love about this mic is the packaging. It was well packaged. We have the mic here, then we have the one you insert in your phone. We have it over here, the other side here. So what I love about it is the packaging. Then after this, we also have the charging. You can see the charging is packed separately in a case. That's what I love about this product. So it's packed in a case, which I was actually surprised. I was like, there will be a lot of money that goes into packaging rather than the product itself. It's just a single mic. For those that want to buy, you can go to the comment section. If you are interested in buying it, you can go to the comment section. We'll talk on the pricing. Then many are still coming. This is just the first set of the order I placed. These are just the first set. Many are still coming in. Don't worry, I'm going to show you where the dispatch rider came in, because you should be expecting that I should show you a dispatch rider that will come and deliver it before I will start unboxing it. Don't worry, I'm going to make a video on that as well. Not only that, I also ordered this Bluetooth earpiece. It uses Bluetooth. I don't need to open it so you can see it from here. You can see almost everything is in Chinese. Okay, this is in English actually, but I have some Chinese description in there. So this is a Bluetooth earpiece, and it can receive call, and it also have mouthpiece. I can use it. I wanted to use this for this class, but it's for sale. I can't use it. So if you want to buy this as well, it's for sale. So not only that, we also have this tripod stand, 3-in-1 tripod stand. So let me open this for you. We have this 3-in-1 tripod stand. We have the ring light. Let me show you the just small ring light. If you are buying this separately, it costs 1,000 naira in Nigeria. If you are buying this separately, but everything came together. Then we have the stand itself, where you can. Let me quickly put this together. So on this side here, then you stretch the legs and you place it. I like this, but this is just for shots, maybe for table video making. You get, this is for table video making. So, and we have the microphone. It is wired. You plug the microphone inside your phone, then you start recording. The fact that it came 3-in-1, that's why I like the product. It's not expensive too. So that's why I like it. It's 3-in-1, and it produces what the ring lights will do, what a ring light, the normal ring light that you have will do. So the product is actually great too. So I also have a very loud speaker here. Bluetooth speaker here is for sale. For those that want to buy it, just go to the comment section. And for those that that want amazing benefits and gifts to be distributed on the channel, make sure you subscribe and also like the content. So, but for this one, these are mainly for sale. I already have those I want to buy. Then if you want to buy, not everything. So if you want to buy this, you can place your order. And if you want me to place order for you as well, you can contact me on the comment section. So this is a Bluetooth loudspeaker. But what I don't like about this, don't see, I'm not saying I'm not trying to advertise this brand for you. What I don't like about this loudspeaker is the fact that it doesn't have any mode. You can see there are modes written there: mode, play, pause, power, and stuff like that. We have the charging port and the rest of it. But the fact that I can't switch to FM radio, I can only switch to Bluetooth. No FM radio, nothing, just Bluetooth. That's the fact I don't used to like this. But what I like about it is the fact that whenever you are playing music, it shines. Let me turn it on for you. It shines, like you can see there are lights, and whenever you are playing, the light starts reacting to the sound of what you are playing. That's why I like the Bluetooth, and the quality is okay, and it's quite heavy, meaning that it's going to last longer. Durability. But the fact that it doesn't have any mode, like just only Bluetooth, that's why I don't like it for me. So, but it's a great product though. I'll give this 6 out of 10. So we have other things here. Then finally, last but not the least, for the first batch, we have shaving. Will I say shaving stick? It's not shaving stick though. It's for barbing sha. I've forgotten that name they call it. So don't blame me on the comment section. So this, I like this product, and it came with the brush for after shaving. You brush your hair off. So the hair you cut, you brush it off. So I like this shaving machine, or I won't say it's a stick. It's not a stick. So you can correct me in the comment section. So I like the fact that the color is gold. I like the color. Then it's light. I like that fact too. Then as well, you can turn it on here, and you can turn it off here, and you can still charge it here using your power bank. You can still charge it using your normal charger. You get it came with a cord. This is the cord that came. It's also for sale for those that want to buy it. It came with a cord, and not only that, it also has other compartments as well. This is it. So let me turn it on so that you can see how it functions. So you can see that it's on light to indicate that it's on. So I guess that is all. Then I have the mic. Then I have the stand. Then there is this stand which I'm using currently. I bought that for myself. So this stand is longer. That's why I like it. Then this one is shorter. This one is 3-in-1. The difference between the two mics, this one and this one, is that this one came 3-in-1, while this one is just a single stand without no microphone, no ring light. But this one came with ring light and so the fact that I like this, I would prefer this to the one I'm using here. So, and this one is more stable. This is a bit shaky. So let me know which one of the products you like in the comment section, and I'm going to make updated video. I know I made a video on how to track items. You can watch those videos, and how to order from Aliexpress and China. You can also watch those videos. Don't worry, I'll put those videos up so that you can watch the videos. So this is how it came in. No fear, you can do it yourself. So do watch the videos and place order yourself. And I would also love to hear your testimonials. Alright, so you can see it's real, it's not fake. So when the other batches comes in, I'm going to make other videos as well, and I'm going to update you. Alright, so make sure you subscribe and like the contents. So see you on the next one.